Once you log in, you will see this type of page. This is your
Mm.
dashboard page. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you can see you do have a project created, how many projects created, how many quotes sent, quotation viewed, quotation signed, leads received, everything is here. On the left side you will see your name, dashboard, projects, leads, settings, all are these account settings and dashboard. On the right side top corner you will see create project. Here you can create a new project.
Mm.
Okay, before moving to the designing parts, you need to set one time all your bombs, costing, everything for your company. Your company profile you need to create. This is only one time job when you
Okay.
start with the softwares. So for doing this, we can go to settings. Under the settings, you will see your company information. You can add your company logo, your company name, address, phone number, email ID, everything here. Then leads, if you do have any leads available with you, your team can create leads here, create a status so that you can easily track. Materials, okay, materials you need to add, like panels, which panels you are going to use. So
Mm.
you will see some default panels here. You can select from the drop down menu. If you don't find your panel here, you can click on add panel.
Mm.
So add panel will route you to our global database.
Mm-hmm.
So from our global database you can just search for, let's say, Adani Solar.
Can you just search SOVA? Just I just wanted to see if it's coming.
SOA,
SOVA.
SOP.
VA.
Okay, we
Yeah.
do have
Yeah.
SOA, but we don't have any panel yet available.
Yeah.
So if
Renewsys,
you
can you try Renewsys?
renew this, we only
Yeah.
have this
Okay.
one,
Fine. Fine.
extreme
Mm.
600 watt. So if you want to add any panel, so you do just want to click on request a new panel,
Mm.
and it will ask you for the manufacturer name, model number, and upload the spec sheet.
Mm.
Okay, you can add it from here, submit, and one email will send to you, and within 24 to 48 hours that panel will get uploaded in the global database.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go with we do have Adani already here.
Mm-hmm.
So we do have these models available. So 580 it already added, 580 top cons are already added. Inverters you can choose from here. Manufacturer you can see the Enphase and all these things are here. So once you click on just like IQ8P, we have clicked here. So if you see selling price per unit, if you want a bomb based pricing, okay,
Mm-hmm.
means every bomb you want to a price, so you can set the unit price here.
Mm-hmm.
Like for example we have kept it 8,000 rupees. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so you can whatsoever you are selling to homeowner you can keep that price here. And same for the panels also, you can put panels pricing there also if you want to bomb based pricing. Okay,
Okay.
for the structure racks, yeah, so as of now, we have this HDG pre-GI, means because in India we don't have any standard manufacturer for this
Structure.
uh,
Yeah.
structure. We just
Mhm.
used to get a hot dip galvanized or GI irons. But
Okay.
still, if you do have any company, like if you are purchasing from Unirac or Aerospace or some
We
standard
can
one aluminum.
we can for that matter we can also use this HDAG or PA, then or aluminum we can sheet roof, metal roof,
Yes,
like that we can
yes,
convert. Yeah. Mm.
yes. Okay, so we do have this thing, and if you want to add any structure, you have any spec sheet available with you, any standard thing,
Mm.
so we can add that thing here also.
Oh,
Okay.
only with the spec sheet only we can add new ones.
Yes, yes. Because what?
We cannot add
Uh,
value directly.
no, we cannot. Because what will happen? Whatsoever we are adding here, that thing will go to the global database. That thing is visible to
That's the problem.
all
Mm.
Solargraf user all over the globe. That's what. That's why we
Okay.
need some standard time. So, but India, for India, we especially requested for this sample solar structure. Okay.
Mhm.
So because we don't have any standard here, we just used
Correct. Correct.
to
Okay.
manufacture by ourselves and do it SDG or GI.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the things. Optimizer, if you are using, you can rapid shutdown switch. Okay. AC combiners, if you are having some AC combiner box, you can add DC switch, DC and your cabling and accessories, all your IQ cables and everything will come under this only. Okay,
Okay.
so you can select, set your design, IQ relays, IQ communications. Under communication you will see your IQ gateway here, your IQ gateways and cities. Under battery system you will see like gateway,
Mm-hmm.
and if we see Enphase current transformer, we do have add, we have added. So pricing you can add here by clicking added button if you want bomb wise pricing, so you can add. Oh, so this is all things you can add. Then the design part. In design system losses, we do have a default template, but if you want to create your own template, so this will be like type of losses: soiling loss, shading loss, AC wiring, connections. We do have default settings, but if you want to increase or decrease, you can change. This is your default design settings, like how you want to place panel and everything. So these all things you can change in design also, but for the
Okay.
smoother, if you do have a regular practice,
Mm-hmm.
so you can select that design also. Then the pricing part, solar pricing. Okay, there the bomb based pricing was there. Okay, so if you are entering a bomb based pricing, you can enable bomb based pricing from here. If you enable this option, your proposal will be like bomb based price. It will add all the pricing, like your inverter pricing, your module pricing, your cable pricing. It will add and show you summation. But if you do have like pricing per watt peak,
Ah,
okay,
okay.
so you can create here. Click on
Mm-hmm.
create pricing table, or we do have a default thing. So like this, from here we just, for example, we have key capped 0 to 10 kilowatt,
Okay.
55 rupees per watt peak. 10
Mm-hmm.
to 20 kilowatt, 50 rupees per watt peak. 20 to 20 to 21 kilowatt, like 50 rupees. So like this. Okay,
Mm.
you can keep your project watt peak based pricing here. Now battery pricing, if you are going to select a battery, so you need to select Enphase batteries, 5P for India. We already kept battery pricing here: 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 4 batteries to how many pricing.
Mm.
So it's simple, and we do have flex phase option also available. So we already filled. So you need to fill these details also. What pricing you're charging to end customer. Okay, and any incentives or rebates you want to give, you can add here. Discount and extra cost you want, O&M cost you want to add, tax and depreciation anything. So you can add. In the utility you can add your create tariff, your utility, you either you are dealing with Bascom or your Kerala Discom or in any region, so you can create as per Discom. As of now we do have a standard tariff here, so we are using this. Financing option, if you are connected with any loan agency or any cash, doing project on cash, loan, lease, PPA, so you can add that proposal here. This is your proposal documents, in what color, which what you want, in which language. Okay, so these everything is available here. You need to, one time you need to enter the values here, so that
Mm-hmm.
it will reflect by default in all your proposal. So once you do this, we will just go to dashboard and we'll hit create project and we'll select some address. This proposal. Okay, then hit next. It will, here you will see your building here. And if you do have a roof image file or some image file, you can just drop here.
Mm.
You can prepare your building like that also. Utility you will select it from here. So as of now I will keep it a standard utility. Policy is net metering policy only. So here my unit rate I have kept 6.8 rupees per unit. Okay.
Mm.
Annual uses you can enter here. Let's say your annual uses is like 15,000. It will adjust, and is a consumption profile. It's, let's say, household with school kids or infants or single or 2%. Let's say it's with school kids. You can manage appliances also here. So this consumption profile is basically, it will help. Solargraf to understand the uses pattern of homeowner. Means he is a daytime user or nighttime user, or the total load is always there. So it is like that only. Once you select all everything, you just click create design. So this is your building, and this is your pen tool. Let's click start, click and drag. You started to see the dimension also in meters. So if you have a site survey done earlier, so it will be good. You can enter dimension accordingly. If not, no problem. Let's take a Google reference only here. Now once you click your line, you will see the blue lines are here. So it
Yeah.
is a guideline. It is saying that your line is 90 degree to the previous line. If you little bit move, you will see this is drawing a perpendicular to that line.
Mm.
Little bit, it's a 45 degree. Little bit, so it will show you the this thing. So let's 90 degree to this line. Let's take this much of building only,
Yeah.
till this point only. Here, 90 degree. This, see this line showing that is parallel to that line and perpendicular to this line. Okay, so that our model can be exact in a straight line. So your roof is created. But as of now, if you will see here, it's showing 18 degree. So means
Mhm.
by default it's a tilted roof. Let's click on 3D.
It's not default tilted.
Means it will show you default tilted roof, but it's a flat roof only. Okay.
Mm.
So what we will do, we will just select tool, select our roof, go back to 2D, select our roof, pitch will be 0. Okay.
Mhm.
And if we want to include parapet wall, okay, we'll include the parapet wall. Parapet wall height, parapet wall depth, okay, it is okay. And if we want to draw some obstruction, this is some mumty here. Let's draw this mumty and adjust this thing, keep it here, little bit rotate, make this thing parallel. Just- so this is your obstruction. Let's little bit rotate, okay, you can do like this and keep it here. You want to, let's say height is like 3 meter, let's say 4 meter, so 400 centimeter. And there is one more obstruction here, let's say this one. This is also, let's say 4 meter, and they are very small poles here,
Yeah, yeah.
pillars. So you can, if you have a dimension, let's say width 50 by 50, and height will be like 1 meter,
1 meter.
100 centimeter. And once drawn, little bit zoom, you want to rotate, let's rotate, select, little bit rotate, so delete. Now you want to copy, control
Yeah.
C, control V.
Mhm.
Okay, it
Okay.
is
Control
already
C.
copy. It is already copied once. Like normal text file, you can copy and paste.
Paste. Okay, that's nice.
Okay,
Mhm.
so we will put like this only.
What is this small thing called? What do you mention the name?
What is small thing?
This
This is
small obstacles, huh?
obstructions, obstructions,
Okay,
all
okay,
obstructions. Everything will come under obstructions only.
okay. LiDAR is not available in this location.
LiDAR is not available in India. It's I think
Mm,
only available in US. But if we do have a LiDAR system, na, so everything will come auto. We don't have to do this much of designing. Group dimension, everything will come. Okay,
mhm,
now you will see the convert this thing into 3D. Now if you will see, your building will like this something.
mhm,
Okay, so building height you can adjust if you want. Like just select your roof height from ground. Let's say 10,
15
10 meters.
meters.
Okay, 15 meters.
It's okay.
Okay, so means you can adjust if you don't have any nearby shading, so you can keep
Mm,
kept it and hit save. Your project will be saved. Go back to 2D. So your roof is ready now. Okay,
mm,
and if you want to add some trees, by the trees will not affect here, but still if you want to add trees, click on add trees. You can select, set the crown height and everything here. And if you will see trees, your tree will something look like this.
yeah.
Okay, so this thing now, moving back to now solar, click on the
In trees,
left.
by any chance, is there is any tree with the shape of a coconut tree? No.
We don't have coconut tree shape,
Yeah.
you
I
have to
just
make.
asked.
uh, we only have round and conical.
Conical. Yeah, it's okay.
Mm. Solar, now you will select your panels. We have selected Adani. Let's go with 580 IQ8P and azimuth everything. So see, this is your roof heat map. Okay, so if you drag your mouse here on the right side, you will see all the values. So this is the darker means some shadow, and lighter means proper radiation is there. So let's say um, your tilt will be like 15 degree you are keeping.
Mhm.
You want a two module table, so stacked panels 2. Row spacing you want to keep, you can keep. Height from the roof 500 mm. Let's click on the roof, it will completely fill your roof. Okay,
Okay.
so select your models, stacked panels. This is a single module portrait table. Okay, so if you enter 2, so it will be like this, two models portrait. Wherever possible, it will add two panels. Wherever
Two
not,
panel.
it will add only single panels. So you can, now you want to edit this thing, you can just, let's see the first 3D how it's looking. So it will something look like this from the side
Mhm.
view. Okay, so
Okay.
as of now it's not true south, it's
Mhm.
little bit southeast. But if you want to rotate, you can select your panels and azimuth you can set. Right now it's 144. If you little bit move, your panels will move.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, accordingly it will add and remove. So let's
Mhm.
keep it 144 only, and let's go with this layout only. Okay,
Okay.
so if you see, and
So when you select and place it, it would automatically come as per the roof style. No. Then only if you
yes,
want, you can change the azimuth. Correct. No.
yes.
Okay. That's
So
fine.
let's in the so in the top you will see settings option. You click on settings. You can set your losses from here.
Mhm.
Okay, you can change your losses from here also.
There will be
Spacing
standard
also.
losses calculation there anyways, right?
We do have this 2% soiling loss. Snow is not here. AC wiring 1%, DC 1%. All the DC is zero here.
Mhm.
But let's say 1%. Temperature, ambient temperature, let's say 0 to 50 degree. Okay, save. Visibility, roof heat maps. Let's say those calculate. So you do have a 95 panels total, 55 kilowatt,
Mhm.
consumption 15,000. It's calculating. Now after calculate, you can enable the panel heat map also. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
once you enable the panel heat map, you will see the uh, panels over panels key, which panel will be under shadow. So these corner panels will be under shadow. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
these corners. So you can delete those panels also. And once your this thing is done, so two things. This is your PV only tools. You don't want to add batteries. Just go to proposal, edit proposal. You will see your proposal here. Now you can add on remove pages, whatsoever pages you want to keep, like this. The first page will be like this. Let's spread some sun with tapas energy. So you can change the layout accordingly, like this, like this, like this. Or you want to change this image, house image, you can want to add some other image, you can keep it here. Okay. Any this line you want to change, you can change it from here. Description you can change. You want your company tagline or something, you can keep it here. Second page is the overview page. It's a 55 point kilowatt DC, old average old monthly bin, new monthly bin, net cost. It will show you utility, return on investment 2% per year, payback period 16 years. Accordingly, it will show you 95 panels, 95 inverters. Your panels, your inverters, it will show here. And if you enable bomb wise pricing, na, uh, here your bombs are not showing, but you want to show the bomb also, like which materials you are offering to. You just go to overview page, save. Under the material section, you can just add your like cabling and accessories. You do have how many inverter? 95, I think. Okay, let's say add cable and 95 cables added, and you want to add like Q relay. So let's say 95 Q relay means uh, 95 divided by 21 patch. 5 Q relays are here. Add, you want to add disconnector tool. Disconnect tool, one tool is enough. So like this means you can add from here your tools. And next is your gateway, and city gate one gateway is enough. Add gateway. And city you want to add cities. Now back to materials. Now you want to add anything else, you can select and add. Now
Okay.
go to proposals, edit proposals. Now you will see your bomb is also added here.
Mm-hmm.
Here you will see cabling and IQ cable you are added, cabling accessories, IQ relay, IQ gateway, disconnect tool, current transformer, and anything you want, whatsoever you will add in that from it will come here. Okay. Now
Yeah.
it's showing you the savings without solar, with solar, cumulative, annual, how this will be. Okay.
Okay.
So before solar, your unit price was 6.82. After solar, your unit price will drop down to 2.91.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this is the performance, monthly, daily, day wise performance. You can select from here how the graph will appear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is a tentative one, but and this is the yearly performance analysis, how much energy it will produce, grid import, net utility bill, everything. 2026 to 2035 it will show
Okay.
annually, monthly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Cost, your system cost will be here.
Mm-hmm.
So means, or you left side you have the design panels also, means what page you want to show, what page you want to hide, you can set from here. So you want per watt peak pricing, so if you enable this thing it will share you per watt peak pricing also.
Okay.
48 rupees per watt. Okay, means this pricing is based on whatsoever you added in the starting in the
Yeah. Yeah.
that
Understood.
table based pricing. Okay, next
Okay.
is your payments. you have selected cash option.
Mm-hmm.
So you, or if you do have some other option, you can go to settings for financing. You can change your option from here. This is your timeline. Timeline also you can set for in the starting only. So means the contract signing, site assessment, permits. So these days you can set me how many days it going to. So it will give an idea, and your payment also you can set in the starting how much advance you want, one material delivered, how much uh,
Mm.
this balance amount you want, and at the final stage handover time what pending amount would be. And here is some pages we have shown about why go solar. Some benefits are here, and this is Enphase drawing. You can send, you can select. Okay, so just one thing, as of now we are showing here 25 years of limited warranty.
Mhm.
Okay, but
Mm.
India we are providing only 15 years of limited warranty. Okay,
Correct.
so this thing need to be taken care, it will automatically taken care in next update. So you can hide this page from here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or you can tell customer that you can extend your warranty if you do not want to show this thing. Okay,
Okay.
so this page can be, and this is review and sign. I accept, sign. So
Mm-hmm.
once you click send here,
Mm.
save and proceed. So you can type your email, what email you want to put here, subject, your body, and if you want to link to expired date, set it here and send. So once you send, see your email will receive an email with Solargraf. You will receive an email. So you can view your code and you can set this. And now if you want to add batteries also, so you just go to your design, click battery section, choose manufacturer and phase energy batteries with flex phase, battery mode self consumption. Click on build system and you can select batteries. Recommended is as per users and everything. It is recommending 4 batteries, solar plus 20 kWh batteries. But if you want to increase or decrease batteries, you can select from the options. Okay, what type of configuration you want? You just click on that tick button. Let's go with recommendation only. Save, edit proposal. You will see your batteries here.
Okay.
Here, your battery is now added. Okay,
Okay.
and charge controller you need to add from the BOM in the study materials only. See, your battery costing will be showing different here. 12 lakh. Okay, so this is a proposal tool, means like within 15 to 20 minutes you can send a proposal to any homeowner. So any question you do have?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, so means we request you just
Can
you
you
already,
just see
huh?
the this final output of the quotation?
Okay, have you received any email?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Otherwise you will see a proposal like this only here on the screen.
1 minute. Yeah, and phase stream solar project, your estimate, view quote. Okay.
Hmm. So you can download a PDF copy also. You can share the PDF copy also.